All right, here's four stocks to watch this week. The first one is going to be Intuit. This is a finance company. They do a lot with taxes, and tax season is coming up. They own TurboTax. So what I'm looking at on Intuit here, you guys can see that this thing has just gotten absolutely slammed here. Okay, this is a huge company. They make around $4 billion every single quarter. Okay, that's every 3 months. Okay, and you can see their stock fell from an all-time high all the way up here at $800, all the way down here to $360. So we like to buy stocks that are very beat up like this. Our strategy is to buy when this blue wave is down here, given a green dot, and you're seeing one pop up here this week. We got that yesterday at around 150. It's sitting at 360 right now, but even if this thing gets like halfway back to where it was, that's around 100% move if it gets back to 700 up here. And again, their earnings look good. Not sure why they're selling off so hard. They do have earnings coming up here on Thursday, but this is definitely one to keep your eye on here. Again, we like stocks that are very beat up, that pull back very hard. That is when we want to strike, okay? That is when we want to take our position, is when we're getting these green dots with the wave down below the white line. Not these green dots or these ones right here. This tells us that capitulation, okay, has happened. We pulled back at least 50%, and Intuit is first on the list. The next one's going to be PayPal. PayPal's also getting the signal here after it got slammed on its earnings. It sold off like 20%. There's some rumors that they might be getting bought out, so that would actually be good for the stock, right? If they get bought out, they're going to get bought out at a higher price. And then obviously if it goes back to 85, right, it'll be 85 a share if someone buys them out for $85 a share. But this thing is literally sitting at an 8-year low right now. I'm sorry, a 10-year low. Okay, we bought this right down here at 40 a couple weeks ago, and you could see that was the low from 2016. It is now 2026. It's the lowest price in 10 years. Whether they get bought out or not, it's at a really good deal right now if you look at things over a long-term time frame, right? 10 years is a long time. It's at the lowest price in 10 years. The other one we're looking at here, these guys also have earnings after the bell, I believe today. So they have earnings today. They're announcing their earnings today. So that's always kind of a gamble. But it is given the signal here. This is Tempus AI, TEM is the ticker, Tempus AI. Nancy Pelosi has a position on this one, I believe. I don't know if she sold the position, but I knew she took one. This one looks very strong here above that $49 level. Watching earnings after the bell on that one, that's Tempus AI. And then the last one's going to be DOUL. This is the Duolingo one. This is when everyone was excited up here at 550. Okay, everyone was talking about this stock up here. Again, we never want to buy when the wave's up here. Okay, we never want to buy up here. We always want to buy down here. Okay, and this has had a couple signals that didn't turn out very well. I mean, this stock's just been absolutely annihilated from $500 all the way down to $100. That's insane. And you're getting another signal right here. I think $100 is a good psychological level for DOUL.